What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I haven't made a video in a really long time and I apologize. I bought a house, I've been busy, but with that said, we're gonna go ahead and make one today. Alright, so people ask me all the time, how do I upload clips from computer to Instagram? So I'm gonna walk you through it, starting with this. So this is Nvidia Geforce Experience. This is what I use to make clips. So this is the home screen of it. I'm gonna take you to my settings. Alright, so right here, in-game overlay settings. Alright, so this is what you want to look at first. My audio source is line 3, which is my Mixamp Pro game. So that's going to be my party chat and my game volume. You won't hear, that's why you never hear my chat. You hear party chat and the game sounds. Alright, so you click done here. Then make sure you click on the mic. You say always on, and then go ahead and make sure it says that still. Save. Turn this off real quick so I can show you these settings. Once it's off, then you can adjust it. So I have mine set to 1:30 on high quality, 60 frames per second, bitrate's 50. I do 1.5 because anything longer than that, the file size starts getting really big. So I leave it at about 1.5. And that seems to be about a good duration for me. Xbox DVR stuff I used to use around 60 seconds, so 1.5 is good. You just have to kind of keep track of what you're doing in game. And if you think you hit a good clip, wait a couple seconds and then record it. If you wait too long though, you're gonna not get the beginning one. So you have to get used to thinking of 1.5 durations. Back on. All right, close this. But okay, so my keyboard shortcuts. See, here's the record. Alt F1 is my hotkey to record clips when I'm playing games. Alt F1, and then to take a screenshot, I have it set to Control F1. Those are the two shortcuts I use. Now I need to figure out where I send it. Anyway, I have a folder set specifically to where all the recordings go. Yep. So it's my D drive, which is my 3 terabyte hard drive, and I have a folder called Clips. All right. Go out of that. I'll show you my folder real quick. I'm on my D drive, clips. I got the different games I play. There's PUBG right here. It's gonna take a long time to load. I got tons of random stuff. And then I have it set by sort by date and ascending, so the newest ones are always at the bottom. I don't really need this to load. I'm just gonna click on a random clip real quick. It's not. I got this clip. Oh, you guys can't see it.
They're more scared of me than I'm scared of them right now.
I got this clip playing. Fast forward a little bit. Sometimes I record something that I think was cool, and it turns out not to be that great. This is when you watch it back. Okay, so I got a dome.
Oh, there's a whole squad, isn't there? Well, I'm playing.
Someone else is coming, I'm assuming. Oh, you got it. Anyway, doesn't matter.
Ow.
I guess I was excited about that headshot.
I got.
Alright, so you got this clip you like. Now, this is how I share it to myself. I use Dropbox. So I already have it open over here actually. The Dropbox, when you go downloads, hold on, don't worry about that. Saves Dropbox. Alright, so you go into Dropbox, this is what it looks like. This is your saves folder, and this is where all the clips are. So if I say I like that clip, I drag it over here and say copy here. I'm not going to do it because I don't want that in there. Alright, so you Dropbox it to yourself. I already have some clips here to show for an example. I'm going to flip over to my iPhone now to show you how I get it onto Instagram.
1 hour later.
Weird. Alright, so now I'm back on my phone here. See everything I have. Now I'm going to go to Dropbox. Alright, so there's that. Here's a random clip I have. So I'm going to go to Export Save Video from Dropbox. Okay, see, it only takes a second. So save to photos. Go to photos. There it is. Now we're gonna open up Instagram. Here's my Instagram. Click on add just like normal. Now, this is where it starts getting tricky. Not really tricky, but things to think about. You have these little arrows here in the bottom left. That's to crop it. If it's a clip twitch or a twitch clip, you want it to be full screen, because if not, you're gonna have a crop on your face, which is gonna look stupid. So for that, I usually do full screen. If it's a regular PUBG clip, then I'd usually crop it so you can see better, because it's really hard to see like a snipe or small details. So I'd keep it big for a Twitch clip. Gonna hit next, and then these are two things we need to think about.
There are people moving.
I go to trim, and I usually trim the beginning part a little bit. They don't need to see everything.
They're up.
There are people moving.
That's now.
Usually shave off the beginning parts.
Yeah. Second far right.
Yeah.
They didn't have a helmet, so.
You need to review it before you
Neither one
upload
of
it
them
too.
have helmets.
No one wants to see 3 seconds of stuff and make it 60
Nice.
seconds long.
Easy peasy. Let's go get that shit. Red zone, red zone, red zone.
Alright, so I'm gonna trim just a little bit off there. Alright, that's good. Then you're gonna go to cover. So this is like the thumbnail for like a YouTube video. So make sure you have a good looking thumbnail to grab their attention. That's pretty good. See the kills, you see the head splat, that's pretty good. Alright, so now here we are. So now we have to come up with a clever little caption, a little something to say. Say something like quick little head shot from the stream. Alright, a little something, a little silly here. And then, now if you go straight to that last thing that you made and hit return, do 3 dots, that's like a line break. I usually say the team page, set wall bang, esports, and then do the apparel. Alright, now this is where I get all the hashtags from. So if you use this app, Tag-O-Matic right here, you can save lists of different hashtags. Go to my favorites. I have a whole bunch of different ones. Got Halo, got Rainbow Six, Borderlands, Rage Clips, but here's my PUBG ones. And then since I already have the premise, I'll show you what it is. Go through here. You can have up to 30, so I've already have a 30 list saved. Click on that, tag or copy them. Then you can go back here, hit paste, boom. There's all 30 of them. It wants to be tagged. I delete that shit. All right, then tag people. They do both the channels. Jeez, I can't type today. Then PUBG. All right, so I usually do those 3. The other 2 accounts that I run, and then PUBG. And then see all down here, you guys can't see what I'm pointing to, I'm sorry. I keep thinking my thumb's poking up on there. But I usually do both accounts. I usually upload 2 at a time. Then location, I live in between Memphis and Nashville. You don't have to do exactly where you live, but I do like a bigger hub that appreciates gaming. So I usually do Nashville. I'll mix up and do Memphis too. But when I lived in St. Louis, using a big city like St. Louis really helped to be reached. But that's really about it. You know, you could have up to 30 hashtags, your location, make sure you trim it, choose a good thumbnail for it, and that's basically all it takes to upload clips from computer. It's not that hard. It really isn't. If any of you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them below. If you're not following the YouTube channel, please hit subscribe. If you're not following me at Twitch, Twitch-TheRudeJude, please go and follow me there. And yeah, any other questions, just let me know. I can make another YouTube video. But that's all. Thanks. Bye. Make sure they both post real quick, just to show you. Boom, done. They both posted to each one. Boom, done. All right, I'm gonna wrap it up. Bye.